Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ho ho ho.
There's something different that happens when you go into the festive season. Mombasa decides to glow, not just shine. It becomes and feels alive. It becomes a spectacle. As the sun sets over the Indian Ocean, something magical happens. Mombasa lights up. People stop, look, and echo memories. Lights flicker on, the streets glow, and the city dazzles. Suddenly, Mombasa is no longer just a city. It becomes a storybook. Children pull their parents' hand. Couple stop midway. Phones come up, and memories begin. Once Santa invites you here, every step forward asks a quiet question. What's around the corner? What's around the roundabout?
Have you been told? Did you ever hear of the curious, furious, fidgety year when Santa Claus unhitched his sleigh and vowed he was taking a holiday?
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
How do I know so much about Santa? Well, I'm Mrs. Claus. It was long ago before you were living. Not yet Christmas, but past Thanksgiving, though I can't give you the very date. Santa got up that morning late, pulled on one boot and then its twin, ruffled the whiskers on his chin, and sat back down on the side of the bed.
Great North Star, but I'm tired.
He said.
Painting wagons red and bright, sharpening ice skates half the night, wrapping presents in ribbons and gauze has worn me weary.
Said Santa Claus.
Cricket my back, cold in my nose, aches in my fingers and all 10 toes, and a sort of kind of kink inside whenever I think of that Christmas ride.
Now, Santa, you just rest yourself a bit longer. I've already sent for the doctor. We'll have you back on your feet in no time.
The city ignites the kind of joy you don't plan for. But here's the question nobody asks. Who made this possible? Behind the magic, behind every wire, every bulb, every glowing idea are two unlikely heroes, Mombasa Cement and KV Quarries. For companies known for building with stone, they surely know how to light up a show. This is all free. They didn't do this for profit. They did it for the people. And they do it each and every year, each and every Christmas, each and every new year, without asking for a dime. To show that the city matters, they give back, they beautify, and they make the city a spectacle. Thinking about it, does such kind of exhibition happen overnight? Just as you thought, this must have taken weeks of planning, long nights of installation, thorough safety checks, and a deep love for the city with a soul deeper than the sea. While here with Dennis with Lensox and Mose Gemini TV, we noticed how people capture this feeling. TikTokers, Instagrammers, YouTubers, couples and friends all come here to capture this moment, which makes the city a December destination. Again, This video is probably made with my brothers Mose Gemini TV and Dennis with Lensuits. Please subscribe to their channels and watch their incredible city walks. If you found this video to be interesting, entertaining or informative, please support our channel by hitting that like, share and subscribe button. Also, share this video with your friends. For more hidden gems, kindly watch our other videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the beauty of our world. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.